Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Good morning, good night, good afternoon, greetings. Now we're gonna jump into today's video, which is the Jamaican sea moss. What is it? Where it good for? How you use it? Them three questions we answer, right? Now, first up, the sea moss, also known as Irish moss or red seaweed, is a type of seaweed that grows year round in tide pools and inlets. Now, people have been raving about the sea moss ever since celebrities have been drinking the smoothies and, promoting that it's good for you. But we know in Jamaica, so a long time we use that thing here, and we use it in all kind of good up stuff. Mainly, I know of it using a strong back mix up with peanut and them stuff there. But we'll talk about that later. Now, what are the benefits of sea moss? Sea moss is considered to be a superfood, and it has over 92 of the 102 daily vitamins and minerals that the human body needs. So, say, our grandparents or great grandparents know about this a long time. So some of the benefits are said to be: it boosts immunity, it nourishes your skin, it supports emotional health, it promotes digestive regularity, it improves metabolism, it suppresses appetite, and promotes overall healthy function. It is rich in vitamins and minerals, and it promotes regular thyroid function. Now, there are many types of sea moss, but we mainly use two types that are popular today. So we're gonna jump into the video of how to make it, all right, so that you can see for yourself how to go about using sea moss. And check the link below if you need access. If you don't have access to the sea moss, then you need a hookup. All right. This is how the sea moss look after it boil, and put some vision in there. It look like maggot. Not turning off from it, but sea moss have a smell and a look. You have to wonder. But yeah, we're gonna mix it up with some papaya and lime right now, because that's what I feel like for. Grandpa normally do it with oats and peanuts and guineas and milk and so banana. And they call strong back. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the papaya. Those who wonder how it look. See? And it blend up and get thick. So this is the papaya, it's big though. Alright, we're gonna peel it. Now there are so many different types of sea moss that you can use. I'm gonna post the types of sea moss, right? Should I cut this in half or just peel it straight? Let's cut it in half. See how the papaya look. Look there, look on the seeds. So everything is about continuing its species, right? Plant them seeds here, get more papaya. Alright guys, I'm gonna peel it, take the seeds out and bait things. Be back soon, alright? Alright guys, so this is the sea moss. That's what I put in the blender, this amount. Have the papaya waste over there, so you put that in your garden if you want, or plant the seed in. And I'm gonna use some of the papaya, don't fall. Some of the papaya. And butterflies. While rocking away to one of my favorite artists, Taurus Riley. One of my favorite songs. Should be enough, right? Yeah, a little bit more. Want my extra papaya. I think that's enough. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop there. If you need more, we'll put more. Doubt it though. I'm gonna blend it now. Add what I want. I think I'm gonna add lime and see how it tastes. And I'll let you know. Alright? Guys, there it is. Sea moss. All along I thought I was recording and throw out the thing, but it never did I record. Anyway, see it here. Love the consistency that sea moss give to beverages and drink juices, right? It just tastes good, feel good. So I love that about sea moss. Alright, so that's it guys. I'm gonna add the lime, drink it and get back to work. You know, it feels good. Putting the good up things in your body, especially when you have to work long hours and all through the day sometimes. So it's good to feel good so you can focus better and do better with your work, right? So if you want to stay for the journey, remember to subscribe. Also remember to press that notification button so you can be notified, and join us on the journey of the good up food, good up culture, good up people, everything Jamaican theme that we can think of, and also Caribbean theme, okay? Because we're one people. All right, thank you so much for watching guys. We hope you enjoy making your own sea moss beverage or juice or whatever you do with sea moss. If you don't have access to it, check the link below. We'll hook you up. All right guys, stay safe, stay as healthy as you can, and stay blessed. Take care of yourself and each other until next time. And Tara's right in the background. Hey, hey, hey. Love yourself just the way you are, physically. And while you grow and you work on parts of you that you think you need to work on, appreciate you. You know, God made you and you are great. You are phenomenal. You're beautiful. You're enough. Alright guys, see you the next time. I have like a party before I go back to work. Big up everybody, always.